Hey, was never meant to lose. Always was meant to win. I just hopped in that bitch. Hopped out that bitch. Hopped in that bitch again. Yeah. The nerve of you bitches and niggas acting like Dolph ain't the triller, acting like Dolph ain't the richest. Yo, God, this bitch want a picture, taking her back to the suite. He bought her something to eat. All I gave her was me. She said this young nigga beast. She sucking it right through the breeze. I got a soak in her sheet. Waking up, how did you sleep? Trying to go home, I need my thesis. I bet that nigga they hate on. Wipe off the dirt and they skate on. Wipe off the dirt and I pray on. Fortune tellers that I won't live long. Baby dolphin bout to swim. Michael Phelps, he drowned a twin. Ain't blessed as hell and always did. Couple C-notes in my bank account. Get paid based off the hate amount. Haters mad, oh well. Y'all been on that paper route. Was never meant to lose.
Let's see more stream. Let's go. It's approximately 9:55 Eastern Standard Time. 80% off for Apex. Still, today's the last day actually, and we are chopping it up here on the Nasdaq. Nasdaq trading at the 21,400 still, and we had a choppy open, I would say, and yeah, looking to get some scalps in. We just drew liquidity from the VWAP area, so I would be careful with these sells, and we're looking for buys actually. I'm not sure when it's gonna buy, but yeah, we're sitting above this 4-hour 50% level on the 4 hours, so I am looking for some sort of buys here. It's pulling back quite a bit, so let's see if we could get a climb back up for a nice scalp, and that's exactly what it looks like it's trying to do. Let's see if we could get those scalps in. Ouch. Hoping not to get chopped up today. Looks like I am getting chopped around this area here. Market is trying to figure out where the F it's gonna go. Thought I had something with those buys, so I had to close them out. Setting up for something big. It just chopped down and it came right back up. I hate trading around VWAP actually, so probably shouldn't have entered right there. I had been up over here, and then when it shot up, kind of took me out, so we shall see. Did a huge move to the upside and downside just now. Price is at 400. Price gets tricky around VWAP, I told you guys. Coming down quite a bit. quite a bit. This area might be a little support, but we'll see. We shall see. Looks like some support here. Drop down all the way to the 380. It's 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time now. Might have to wait. Dropped. I'm gonna wait till like 10:05 because we already got wrecked on a day like this. No clear direction today. Got stopped out twice, so best to wait. Kind of choppy today. Nasdaq trading back at the 400. Nasdaq trading at about the 400. Took a scalp. It gets very tricky around VWAP, guys. It's like unclear when it shoots down. This was clearly liquidity. And we took out yesterday's low, I believe. Almost. Not really. One of their lows. We're outside of yesterday's range. We're touching VWAP, so we're trying to decide where we're going to go. Looks like we might go bullish soon. 15-minute liquidated this zone right here, which is a good zone to liquidate. Chopping around. Basically chopping around. Whenever we get a big sell-off like this is a good buy to get. Especially when we're bullish on the 4-hour. Might take off now to the upside. Don't want to get my hopes up though. But we keep testing this 400. Dumped. Shit fucking dumped. Came down to the 376. Damn, got wrecked. Straight up got wrecked. Trying to figure this trend out today. But we're around VWAP, and when we're around VWAP, it just plays around. No clear trend. No clear trend at all. No clear trend at all. This was a 78-point dump, but it was all chop because we're around VWAP. Trying to figure out what direction it's gonna go in. But on the 4-hour, we got an order block here at the 29. No, it's 291, so 100 points away. It could come down into that and then just take off to the upside. So that's what I'm hoping for. Before it could go up once again. I'm getting wrecked. Wrecked. So trying to trade with my bot, but it's not working out today. It's not trending. So we shall see if we get a clear trend on the 5 minutes. We kind of did. We kind of broke down and then we came 50% of this OB right here. Came down, came up. Now it's dumping a little bit more. But I guess there's no real way to trade chop. I mean, we gotta wait for liquidity, and it's just a choppy day today. No news, no nothing driving us to buy or sell. So we're basically like in a liquid area for the 15. Got wicks on the 15. I tried to scalp it, but got stopped out like 3 times. So just gonna wait for a clear trend direction, and then we're gonna go in that direction. Could have made some money on the sells. I mean, probably would have got wicked out like I did. Because we had a sell here, and you could have did your order block right here. And it came to this other order block here, and then shorted. I got a small win on that one, but it's pretty choppy today. I knew it because yesterday was such a trend day. But eventually one of these are going to crack. So that's why I might implement that risk management strategy. That when you risk 100, you double up on the next one and the next one and the next one. I tried the breakouts. I tried the pullbacks today. Nothing is taking off. So whenever we're around VWAP, that's what I noticed, is that I like the strategy to work when we're not around VWAP. VWAP, we're like indecision. We're like trying to figure out where we're gonna go, so to speak. So that's what we're trying to do now. Trying to figure that out. I'm gonna try to scalp it a little bit. That's what I'm doing now. It's working, but at the same time, it's risky. I'm in a nice buy right now. Hopefully we can take off. If you can bust above this area with this mini, I'll be in profit. Aiming for around like this 417. If we could do it. Take away some of these losses. We could grab some liquidity at the 16. That'll be sweet. Boom. Buy, sell, buy, sell. Trying to get at least like 500 today. There we go. This could go to the 430. I'll be happy with that. Starting to pick a side. Yeah, today's not quite a trading day per se. You gotta scalp it. But even still, it's like, is it even worth it? It's flat. Down a couple hundred, so I think I might call it. It's gonna break out later. But I guess I could wait around and try to just catch a groove. Market is about timing, and if you don't see what you want to see in the time that you want to trade and you get stopped out at least once or twice, then it might not be your day. Might not be that type of trading day for that type of pair. Might catch something else. Let's see. Got gold moving hard. Gold is busting. Gold might be a better pair to trade today. But now gold is around one of the VWAPs too. Yeah, gold is trending right now. Let me pull up a chart on gold. Nasdaq is moving funny. Let me see if I could see. Yeah, Nasdaq eventually moved to the 430 like I wanted it to. Stopped me out and then took off. Gotta look at the trending pairs, man. Gotta look at the trending pairs. Let's see. Futures, gold. Gold is moving right now. Nasdaq is not moving as much as gold is. About to test out gold right now. See. Basically not trending on NQ. So gotta test out gold. If you're a trend trader, then gold, you should trade it. But if you know how to trade these, like what it did, it came down and liquidated everybody. So the sells is really like where you should buy. And that's what I noticed on days like this where it wants to fake you out, is that where whatever it's telling you, you just do the opposite. So if we would have bought this signal instead of sell it, we would only have 11-point drawdown and 64 points. So that's kind of what I'm looking at. Yep. Kind of a frustrating day compared to yesterday. That's why on those days where it breaks out, kind of like it's telling you to clean up. That's basically what it's trying to tell you. It's like, yo, you better clean up. It's ranging hard on the Nas. It's been like an hour and we've gone nowhere. 60 points. Kind of telling us not to trade today. Yeah, it hasn't touched VWAP since May 12th. And every time it does those fake outs. Like this one you would have lost, this one you would have won. All the way until like noon. So next time, that's what we're gonna do. Whenever we're close to VWAP and it touches it, just do the opposite, bro. Did this all the way until nasty day today. Very low volatility. Got a nice short just now. Got a very nice short. I actually gotta reset my ninja because it's acting funny. Let me do that. Might come out with some type of bread today. Made money on that one. Still playing around VWAP. I might just trade gold, yo. Gold was the money maker today, boy. Yeah. Gold got some nice trends, yo. Yeah, gold hit. Nasdaq is acting real funny today. Nasdaq trading at about the 400 again. Took a hit. on Nas. Come on. Yeah, I think I'm gonna shut down Nas, man. If we could go to 430, we'll be lit on Nasdaq. That's what it's doing now. Yeah, it's going up. Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's go. I'm in profit today. I'm in profit now with the Nas. The Nas started to take off. So we could turn the trend filter on. See if we could at least get like 500 today. So I got all three VWAPs on here. I got the session, I got the week, and I got the month all on here. Gold got some nice trends today. I'm at break even for the day, so I think I might call it, bro. Unless I could get one solid play and then I'm gonna shut it down, but yeah, it's a break even day. I'll be back tomorrow, guys. Thanks for showing up and showing out. So is doing the most important Mario Mogul moves. Hope you guys got something today out of that. We'll be back. Peace.